Hi there, this is Sagar Prajali doing master's project from Melbourne Institute of Technology. Having a collaboration of 5 team members, we are doing a project named as Design and Develop an IT Helpdesk Ticketing System. PCSS Private Limited needs a robust IT ticketing tool for their internal use, which ultimately helps them to manage all the inbound service requests of their business customers as well as their company employees. Under the agile product development method, this project has been divided into 3 sprints. Among them, this first sprint is started on 14th of August and ended on 4th of September. This diagram shows all the stakeholders involved in this project. We are mentored by Belal Choudhury and Tina Aurora with the supervision of Khalid Ahmed. Our project client name is Dominic Saporito and Gautam Bandaru is our agent. Rest of the stakeholders are the team members itself. A quality project can only be carried out by breaking down a whole task into subtasks. To handle them, each of our team members are assigned. Here, Harikrishna is working as a Scrum project leader, and Anusha handles all the infrastructures of the project. Achut is a quality analysis tester, while Rosina is a content data analyst. Myself, working as a subject matter expert for this project. In the whole sprint, we had some major and minor meetings in the group through Zoom and WhatsApp call. In the BPMN diagram shows the operational model of the project, also known as is model. When a user sends a service request to the system, an automatic ticket will be created and reviewed by uh, level 1 support team. Then the request service passed to the desired section to resolve, and when some errors occurs, and then it passes to level 2 support team. This is a screenshot of our Trello task board where we can see the different tasks and stories are performing separately by the different team member. To talk about individual contribution on this project, each of the team member is required to work at least 10 hours on which they are expected to spend 6 hours on research and 4 hours on the documentation. And every time they perform something, they need to provide a comment on what the task they perform. As you can see on the UML diagram, the ticketing tool is controlled by 3 different users, that is admin, support staff and employee. Once a customer enters into the system, the various levels of support team handles the customer request with the interaction of database server by creating individual object for each of the requests. Throughout the sprint one, I was assigned to research on ticketing tool itself. With the various requirements of a client, I divided my tasks into several subtasks and scheduled it with completion status. As an SME, I had to perform various user stories through its completion status. For understanding the agent's matrix, I was able to complete Chendex and its capability review, which leads me to finish 50% part of my assigned user stories. Here are some user stories and talks that I couldn't be able to finish during this sprint. Having the different priority status, I still need to integrate some systems and time tracker, which I will be doing in the next sprint. To talk about the knowledge and skills that I learned from this sprint are how to divide a whole system into different small chunks so that they can be performed separately. How, why and how to use any project management tool, taking a specific time frame for each of the tasks and to update its status. Also, I would like to thank our mentors for providing us such a privilege to interact with real world problems and personnel. Lastly, how to work or design something under agile methodology. Thank you.